මිනිසාගේ ශ්වසන පද්ධතිය. So during breathing, so what is happening when we are breathing? During breathing, what is happening?
The lungs are organs that are part of the respiratory system. They allow your body to take in oxygen from the air. They also help remove carbon dioxide from the body. The entire respiratory system works together to breathe air in and out of the lungs.
So, see this one. During breathing, we are inhaling and exhaling air. So here, simple food and oxygen combine together. So what this is happening during our breathing. Simple food and oxygen combine together and release energy and also carbon dioxide with water vapor. So after combining simple food and oxygen produce energy. So this energy used for biological activities in our body. And after that they release carbon dioxide and water vapor. So by exhaling we are releasing this carbon dioxide and water vapor. And oxygen we intake by inhaling. So this is the process happening when we are breathing. Okay, the process of energy is produced by reacting or burning of simple food with oxygen we called as respiration. Process of energy is produced. Here energy is produced by reacting or burning of simple food with oxygen. So this process we called as respiration. Intake of air needed for respiration is called inspiration. Intake of air we called inspiration. That means inhalation or breathing in. We intake air. That means inspiration. Then we exhaling. Exhalation or breathing out. So during respiration, carbon dioxide and water vapor are released. We call it as expiration. So inspiration and expiration, like that. So they are exchanging system. Inspiration and expiration we called as human respiratory system. The air exchanging system we called as human respiratory system. Okay, now we are going to identify the main parts of our respiratory system. This is the respiratory system of human. Here you can see what are the organs of the respiratory system. So you can see here the first one. This is nasal cavity. So when we are inhaling and exhaling, air is exchanged through this nasal cavity. So this is nasal cavity. Then this is pharynx. Pharynx is a common part for our respiratory system and also to the digestive system. Then here this is larynx. This is larynx and this part, this is trachea. We call it as trachea. Then this is bronchus. This is left bronchus and here inside this lung we can see right bronchus. So this is bronchus and then these are bronchiole. These are bronchiole. So this one is left lung and this is right lung. Inside this right lung we can see the bronchus and bronchiole also. So this is rib. This is rib and this one is diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. So now we can see the organs and let's move to the functions of these organs. let's discuss about the activities of human respiratory system. So we can discuss by this. First, we intake the inhaled air into the nasal cavity. We intake, when we are breathing, we are inhaling and exhaling. First, we intake air by inhaling. We take the air into our nasal cavity. So, in the nasal cavity, air gets warmed. Air gets warmed and filtered while passing through the nasal cavity. So, when the air passing through the nasal cavity, air gets warmed, wetness and filtered. These three things are happen: warming, filtering and wetting the air in the nasal cavity. The air moves from the pharynx to trachea through the larynx. Air move from pharynx to trachea through the larynx. Then air passes through the right and left bronchus. So air passes through the right and left bronchus. After that, this air reaches the lungs. Air reaches the lungs and exchange the air. So what is happening in the lungs? So remember this thing. Oxygen in the air is absorbed to the blood. Oxygen in the air absorbed to the blood. Then carbon dioxide in the blood move to lungs. So what is happening in the lungs? Oxygen in the air absorbed to the blood. Then carbon dioxide in the blood move to the lungs. Then when we exhaled, air passes back through the same path and released out through the nasal cavity. So when we are exhaling, air passes back to the same path and releasing carbon dioxide and water. So this is happening in our respiratory system. So you should know what is happening in the each organ. Okay.